How to repair a flat snowblower tire. A flat snowblower tire can really set you back if it just snowed and you can't remove any of the snow. Snowblowers, like lawnmowers, have tires without tubes, so any puncture in the tread or sidewall will cause the tire to go flat. It can cost up to $30 to have a mechanic repair your tire. You can easily repair a flat snowblower tire with a few supplies, including a patch kit. Things you will need: ratchet strap, flathead screwdriver, block of wood, air compressor, wrench set, chuck, pliers. Pick up the side of the snowblower that has the flat tire. Slide the block of wood onto the axle. Unscrew the bolts holding the snowblower tire to the axle. Pry the tire off of the rim with a screwdriver. Insert the screwdriver between the rim and the tire and pry the outer lip of the tire off the rim the entire way around the rim. Flip the rim over and push the tire off the rim completely. Run your hand around the interior of the rim. Move your hand slowly as you feel for the item that punctured the tire. Once you feel the sharp object, mark it with chalk. Pull the nail or sharp object out from the top of the tire tread with the pliers. Pull the sticky cover off of the tire patch. Place the patch flat over the chalk-marked hole area on the inside of the tire. Center the hole in the middle of the patch. Use the roller in the tire patch kit to firmly press the patch against the inner tire. Lay the rim on its side. Lay the patch tire over the rim. Kneel on the tire sidewalls to force the tire onto the rim. Finish prying the tire onto the rim by inserting the screwdriver between the tire and the rim and pushing the screwdriver out toward the tire. Wrap the ratchet strap around the outside of the tire and ratchet the strap down until the sidewalls of the tire bow out and touch the inner rim edge. Air up the tire to the correct size listed on the tire sidewall. Remove the ratchet strap. Bolt the tire back onto the snowblower axle. Remove the block of wood from under the axle.